Mission Mangalyaan. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, began its journey in 1969. Its feat with space began when the first Indian satellite, Aryabhatta, was launched in 1975. ISRO's next big achievement was when India sent its first lunar probe, Chandrayaan-1, to the moon in 2008. Chandrayaan-1 found water on the lunar surface. After the moon, ISRO astronomers decided to explore the planet Mars, as it is the nearest neighbor of Earth in the solar system. ISRO built a space probe that would orbit around the planet Mars and study its atmosphere. They called this space probe Mangalyaan. The name Mangalyaan is derived from Sanskrit words Mangal, which means Mars, and Yaan, which means vehicle. The space probe is also known as MOM or Mars Orbiter Mission. Mangalyaan was launched on 5th November 2013 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center launchpad at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Mangalyaan took 298 days to enter the orbit of Mars on 24th September 2014. It is interesting to note that many countries across the world have attempted to send space probes to Mars. Out of 45 missions to Mars, only 19 missions achieved success after several attempts. ISRO became the first organization in the whole world to launch a space probe to Mars and achieve success in the first attempt. What makes this mission special is that all parts of the space probe, Mangalyaan, have been manufactured in India, hence making it completely indigenous. Moreover, while NASA took 5 long years to create MAVEN, their spacecraft to Mars, ISRO created their space probe in only 15 months. The Mangalyaan is shaped like a cuboid. Mangalyaan space probe has been constantly sending reports and pictures of the Martian surface features and shape, mineral composition, and the composition of the atmosphere of the red planet. The purpose of Mangalyaan is also to find out about the possibility of life on Mars or proof of existence of life, if any, in the past. It has been studying the surface features of Mars and looking for signs of atmospheric methane, if any. Presence of methane in atmosphere indicates presence of life currently or in the past. Mangalyaan is the most economical interplanetary mission accomplished till date in the whole world. It is also the first completely autonomous space probe. Mangalyaan is special to ISRO because the youngest team of ISRO scientists executed the mission. The National Space Society, NSS, of the USA awarded the 2015 Space Pioneer Award to ISRO for the success of Mars Orbiter mission. ISRO had received a similar award in recognition of the success of the lunar probe Chandrayaan-1. Mission Mangalyaan has instilled a sense of great pride in all Indians across the world. The scientists at ISRO hope that the new generation of students will be inspired by their achievement and will aim to become scientists and astronomers at ISRO.